Thank you so much for tuning in. We are making some meatballs. Getting straight to the point, here I've got my minced beef and I'm adding all my seasoning to it. I will put everything down below in the description box. Of course, not to forget the breadcrumbs and my parmesan cheese. And then I will also be adding 1 tablespoon of mascarpone. You can use milk instead. And then I'm just using my hand to mix it until it's just combined. Do not overwork it. If not, it's going to be tough. When baked, then as you can see, I'm just using my hand to portion into balls. You can use a spoon instead should you want to. So a little story, my friend introduced me to the Ikea meatballs and I would always go there to eat with her and I loved it. It became one of my favorites. So I'm adding a little bit of cornstarch to give me a smooth texture. And then I just sprayed my pan and add my meatball in there. And then I'm going to place in the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes on 220 degrees C. Okay, and this is how it is looking afterwards, and I am having that with fries and peas, and of course my homemade gravy, vegetable gravy. I am going to now go on to the gravy. I'll show you how I made it. So guys, if you like this video, thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so when uploading a video you will be the first person to be notified. So now let's get on to the gravy bit. In my pan here, I'm just going to add some oil on a medium heat and preheated, and then 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to let that melt. Then I'm going to go in and add my chopped onions. So I will add the chopped onions and then saute for a few minutes. And here I've got my vegetables. I've got some summer squash and sweet potatoes and the white potatoes. You know, I will again leave everything down below in the description box. So that is soft now. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cumin seed and black pepper, whole black pepper, to give it that aroma. And then of course my fresh garlic, just stirring that together. And again, I'm going to saute for about 1 minute and add my fresh parsley, about a handful. And then I'll be adding a little bit of paprika and about a cup full or 500 ml of vegetable stock. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add all my vegetables in here. So onions and the potatoes, the sweet and the normal one, broccoli, cauliflower, mushrooms, and then season with some salt. And I'm just going to bring it to the boil until it is soft. Like guys, when I say soft, I mean proper soft, like crumbling soft. Yeah, that's what I mean. Then I'm not going to blend this. I'm just going to sift it. Okay, you can blend it if you want. I don't want it too thick, so I'm not going to be blending it. It's entirely up to you. You can do that as well. It's not an issue at all. I absolutely love this gravy. It is so delicious, like amazingly delicious, and it is healthy. It's homemade. You try it and let me know how you get on, guys. So I'm just sifting it now. And voila, this is it. It's not too thick, but it's still thick. It's okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you like it, thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel and help your girl to grow. Thank you guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.